welcome. I hope everyone are doing fine. At Auto Bavaria Motorrad showroom, our financial advisor will make sure that you all feel welcome, and it's our commitment to make sure that you feel comfortable during your visit to our showroom. In the upcoming series of videos, we would like to share with every one of you the tips and tricks how to select the best model for you, at the same time to also share some basic maintenance for your motorcycle at home. So stay tuned, we'll see you in our video. Thank you.